Crypto motherfucking billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. I'm spitting all over the place. My friends, let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily analysis on the overall market and DOGELON Mars. Let's get into it. Crypto fear and greed index is sitting around the 37 mark. We're moving back up into the neutral state, which means the market sentiment is switching around, and we could very well see a bullish trend continuation pattern to the upside in the near future. For normal people terms, that means we're going to spike hard in the future, my friends. Everything's looking very nice. We are seeing some big names spike very much so right now. Bitcoin is up to 41,000, and okay, you need to pay attention to this part because this is extremely important. All right, this is how the market normally moves. The big money moves first. Big money meaning Bitcoin and Ethereum spikes first. Altcoins follow. What did we see? A couple days ago, Bitcoin broke through the $41,000 level. Altcoins followed decently. What we are seeing today is many altcoins spiking very, very hard. Shiba Inu, everything is pretty much in the green. We're seeing some major gains here. Now, it's not too crazy, okay? However, it is a good indication that the market is still moving in a normal pattern, my friends. So, what we need to watch in the upcoming week, we want to see this Bitcoin. We want to see a $44,000 Bitcoin. That's what we want to see. Let's get straight into the Elon estimates, Elon analysis, Elon price prediction. We are up a measly 1.3%. I think this is a very good thing because this is a micro cap coin. You got to keep that in mind. The market cap is 532 million. So, we have been following Bitcoin's price action pretty closely, and we are still doing the same today. All right. However, once all of the altcoins begin to move and the market starts to shift sentiment again, then we will see this become adopted mainstream. And it's already on major exchanges, and there is many news sites talking about it and have talked about it in the past. They have a perfect background to be in the crypto game. So the marketing is on point, my friends. And we just need to wait now. We just need to HODL and accumulate this whole time. Now, right now, we are seeing a 3-bar play. All right, if you're in the Patreon, then you got this alert earlier today. If you want to join the Patreon, get real-time buy and sell alerts, along with daily updates, check it out. The link's in the description. But we are seeing a 3-bar play right around here on the daily candles. This is indicating price action is not only breaking this previous resistance around these 940, 960 levels, it is also looking to move to the upside even farther to these 1175 levels. That is our next point of resistance that we need to watch. All right, this is what we want to see in today. We want to see this daily candle close above these 960 levels. We are currently hitting them at this moment. If we hit that 961 level easily, that's a very good sign, showing that the sellers are not stepping in to hold this price under the 960 level. And we will be heading higher today. So, I'm going to show you guys a little trick, so stay tuned. This is how you estimate a 3-bar play. Take the body of the previous green candle, move it to the new green candle, and there we go. This is our estimate, 1076, based on this simple technical analysis. We want to watch this point for, that's where the ideal close for this candle would be. Now, that is a very bullish sign, moving that high in one day, that much. It's going to take a lot of volume, so it might not happen. However, if it does happen, it is a very strong confirmation. It's a perfect 3-bar play. It's a textbook 3-bar play. Now, you don't see many of those all the time, but when you do, it's a very bullish sign. So, this is a black swan event. If that does happen, then it's a really good thing. Volume has been thickening up a little bit here, as we can see. It started to thicken up again once it spiked back up after it hit this 756 low support level. We're looking pretty nice. That's what we want to see. We want to see us close above these 960 levels today. That will indicate that our previous resistance has been broken. and we will be moving to the upside in the short term. So yes, my friends, we are still in a uptrend pattern here. We are just simply retracing in the long-term scheme, and we'll probably base around these levels. Hopefully we can for a couple more weeks, allow people to come to their senses and sell their bags, or come to their senses and get in. Now, the people who are selling their bags, they're not watching these videos, okay, because they don't understand how the market moves. We very well could be in a lull meaning the prices could be lower, and the only reason that will happen is to scare the weak hands out. All right, you gotta buy and hold. It's not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. However, that's how you make money, my friends, through long-term investing. Day trading is a different story. If you're interested in day trading, I got a course in the description, teach you everything you need to know. I went from working a 9-to-5 job to now making a living with cryptocurrency, so go check it out. Fibonacci levels looking good. We showed some strong support around these 0.786 levels, which is around the 580s price range. Now, that is the low that we really need to watch. If we do end up retracing a little bit, it's very possible. Hopefully, we do get those nice prices again. If it can drop below those 5 levels, that'd be a really nice thing. However, that's all I got for you guys, you beautiful people. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.